In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase your PayPal withdrawal limit. If you're finding yourself restricted by PayPal's daily withdrawal cap, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process of increasing that limit so you can manage your funds more effectively. The first thing you need to do is log into your PayPal account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to locate the account overview page, which is usually the first screen you see upon login. Here, you can view all of your recent activity and current balances. It's essential to ensure that your account is fully verified before moving forward, as unverified accounts often have stricter withdrawal limits. If you're unsure whether your account is verified, you can check this by clicking on the settings icon at the top right corner of the page. Next, you'll need to locate the Summary tab in the top menu. This is where you'll find a comprehensive overview of your PayPal account. From here, scroll down until you see the blue section on the right side labeled More About Your Account. Click on this link, and it will bring you to a page that provides additional information about your account limits. Once you're on the Account Limits page, you should see a section labeled Withdrawal Limits. Click on the link that says Lift Limits, and you'll be prompted to provide additional personal information such as your credit or debit card and your bank account details. Ensure that this information is accurate, as any discrepancies could delay or prevent the approval process. This step is necessary because it allows PayPal to verify your identity, thus potentially increasing your withdrawal threshold. After submitting your information, PayPal will perform a small transaction on your bank account. This is a verification step, and you'll need to check your bank statement for a small charge or deposit from PayPal with a unique code. This typically takes a few days to appear. Once you have the code, log back into your PayPal account, return to the Account Limits page, and follow the instructions to enter the code. By successfully completing this verification, PayPal confirms your bank account and can lift your withdrawal limit. Finally, with your account limits lifted, you'll need to remember that maintaining activity regularly can help keep those lifted limits typically in good standing. Continue to watch your account for any notifications from PayPal, as they may offer additional recommendations for further increasing your limits based on your account activities. And there you have it, a simple way to potentially increase your PayPal withdrawal limit. Make sure to double-check each step for success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Happy troubleshooting!